Portions of Daytime at 9 are sponsored by the following. Welcome back, everyone. We are live in Corpus Christi. We are in the USS Lexington, and you may have heard of ketamine and its ability to treat many different conditions: PTSD, fibromyalgia, depression. And Kelly Cooper, she's a clinical director with Kalypso Wellness Centers, and she is here to tell us more. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ever been down in the Lexington around this time?
You know, I have
on
not.
TV?
I have not. Definitely not on TV.
This is
Definitely.
your first time.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So, Kelly, I really love what you are bringing to us this morning, because ketamine is something I think a lot of people have heard of, but they don't really know what it's used for and how it's helping so many people. So tell us just a bit about its history and the different things it can help with.
Gotcha. So ketamine was initially developed as an anesthetic. It's been around for decades. It's very safe. It has been found actually to treat fibromyalgia, chronic pain, depression, PTSD, which is wonderful.
Yes.
Neuropathic pain, that sort of thing, in a low dose infusion. And we infuse it over about an hour. It's a very safe environment. We start an IV,
so
very
it's injected,
comfortable.
okay.
Exactly. And basically you sit back and kind of relax and enjoy kind of a euphoric sensation for about an hour.
Okay.
And it really does help. It's been a miracle for a lot of people.
That's wonderful, and that's why we want to get the word out, because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who, you know, they feel really lost, they've given up, they feel like they've tried everything, and they haven't if they haven't tried this and haven't gone to see you at Kalypso Wellness Center. So this is what you do there.
Yes, exactly. And it's a great thing. So what happens typically, if you have an injury, either an emotional injury or traumatic injury, you develop a neuropathic pain way. Sometimes, or most of the time, we get that treated with oral medications, counseling, physical therapy, that sort of thing, and it really does work. But a lot of times it doesn't, and we're left with what can we do?
What's next?
And as a provider, that is very disheartening that you can't have something, you know, you have a patient that comes in and I've tried everything, and, you know, finally we have something that will bring them hope. And it's a wonderful medication.
And you were saying you're very passionate about it, and I'm so glad you're here and you're sharing this information. And you mentioned it is safe.
Yes.
Ketamine is completely safe. So we know for certain it is.
Correct. Correct. In fact, it is on the core list of medications for the World Health Organization. So they have actually studied it and found it to be very safe and effective. So
good to know.
Yes.
So if people are dealing with one of these conditions, what is the best way for them to get in contact with you? Can they call you? Can they find out if they're a candidate? You know,
yes,
what do they need to do?
We are online, KalypsoWellness.com. They can reach us. We have a 1-800 number that links to our call center, and we have clinics throughout the United States, so they can get in touch with us at any clinic through that number.
And again, give me some of the conditions that it's helping to treat.
So depression, PTSD, fibromyalgia, chronic pain, neuropathy, migraine headaches.
Amazing.
It is amazing.
And it really is helping people live a normal life again. Because if you have any of these conditions, it's debilitating.
Exactly.
It really can be.
Yes.
So if you would like to feel yourself again, if you've given up hope, do not until you go and you see Kelly over at Kalypso Wellness Centers. And we have all of the information right there on your screen. They're at 5826 Esplanade Drive. I want to make sure I say that right, here in Corpus Christi. And the number to call is 800-RESET-20.
Correct.
You can also go to KalypsoWellness.com, or you can find them on Facebook.